Brats, you know me. I like a PC case that pops, is gorgeous, and is also easy access. So we are checking out this darkFlash PC case. This is their DLM21 luxury, I don't know what that means, mini ATX chassis. Let's check this thing out, let's open it up. Always have your small, sharp unboxing knife handy when it comes to unboxing something. You don't want to hurt anybody or yourself. Okay, I'm just gonna try and set this down and ease this out without breaking. It's got tempered glass. Last thing you want to do is shatter that in your opening. Boom. So that is the front of the case right there. It's got a mesh screen that your fans are gonna go behind.
Nice shot.
3 USB ports. Is that your reset button? It's got the tiniest little reset button, which I actually love because my cats like to try and run across the top and they're not gonna be able to press that reset. Power button, they're probably gonna be able to press that just fine though. I need to get this tape off of here. No, not yet, not yet. Okay. Warning, this side, do not facing the floor. You got potentially 4 slots down here, but your GPU is probably gonna take 2 of them. Hopefully that's gonna be your only slots. What else have we got? You got an opening for 1 fan on the bottom. It does have a cover, keep some of that dust out. Weird, it has like a pull tab. So the last one I tried, it had a spot for your finger. This has a little pull tab where you open it up. This side, you got your traditional couple of screws that are extremely tight to start with. And that's where you're gonna put your fans in. One thing that people had brought up in the last video of a case that we did, the fans went right in just like this one, but there was no mesh screen on that one to cover it from dust. So on this one, you're gonna get a little bit of a mesh screen inside the front, but it's not gonna be like your traditional really tight screen. So this still will prevent some dust, but you're actually gonna see that dust collect on the outside of your case instead of inside on a filter like most cases would have. All right, let's get a PC installed in here and see what this thing looks like in all of its glory. And just like that, John has a new editing PC. Now you can see here, we fully installed his PC into this darkFlash case we were checking out. It's a great case for a lot of reasons. It's only $79 on Amazon, depending on sales, and prices of course can change. Just like our other case that we love, it's got the glass door that opens so you have quick, easy access to the inside to mess with it. It has the slots for the 3 fans. We put a 240mm liquid cooling system on top, and it still has room. We could have gone bigger. The one thing that some people might call out, it's a little weird about the case, technically the top is the only part that is really filtered at all for the air. So some people might actually prefer to have their air coming in through the top and out the front. But the front still does have a finer mesh that is gonna catch most of your objects that come in there. Everything fit great. We really didn't have any problems. The case is actually built in such a way that it can accommodate 3 SSDs and an HDD, or 2 of your regular old hard drives and 2 SSDs up there. Really impressive how much they crammed into this little case. The only part you're really gonna have a problem with is when it comes to cable management. If you've got all these fans and everything, you are gonna have to get creative with how you stuff the cables into the back of here and hide everything. I like the case. The only thing that I liked about the previous Thermaltake Snow case that we reviewed better is honestly the Thermaltake just has a little bit cooler of a white color. It's kind of a bluish white, where this one's more of a traditional white. But beyond that, the case is awesome. The branding inside looks good. Another good budget case, but I mean, these budget cases, I don't see a reason to go pay $200 for a case when you can get a case this good, unless that's some really cool feature or something about it. So PC cases are getting more affordable, just like a lot of things right now in the PC world, except graphics cards. As you can see, we kept John's original graphics card in there because there was just no way. But let me know what you think. Have you ever had anything from darkFlash? Do you know about the company at all? I want to say thank you so much for choosing to spend some of your time here with us today. I will see you in another reality.